Before you replace your engine, try this first. Ever noticed your engine just doesn't run like it used to? Engines rarely quit all at once. They usually give you signs first. If you act early, you can save thousands in repairs and extend the life of your engine dramatically. In this video, we're walking through 7 game-changing steps to bring your engine back to life, even if it's been running rough for years. And don't miss the final tip. It's something even mechanics rarely share, and it could be the secret weapon. Step 1. Diagnose the problem with an OBD2 scanner. Before doing anything else, you need to scan your car's system for trouble codes. Modern vehicles are smart. They'll often tell you what's wrong if you know where to look. Use a reliable OBD2 scanner, ideally one that automatically reads your VIN, reads live data and trouble codes, can perform service resets. Locate the OBD2 port under the steering wheel, plug in the scanner, turn the ignition to ON, not start, and begin a full scan. You might see a clear code like P0301, misfire in cylinder 1. That could be due to bad spark plugs, faulty ignition coils, or a failing catalytic converter. But sometimes you'll find no codes or vague ones. That's normal in high-mileage cars. What matters is that you start with this scan to narrow things down. If you're getting no codes but the engine runs rough, check the freeze frame data. It shows exactly when the issue happened and under what conditions, like RPM, load, and coolant temperature. This extra context often reveals what the scanner code alone doesn't. Step 2. Inspect and clean the throttle body. A dirty throttle body is a top reason engines idle rough, hesitate, or stall. Over time, carbon builds up, especially around 75,000 plus miles. You'll need throttle body cleaner, socket set and screwdriver, clean cloth or toothbrush. Locate the throttle body between the air intake and intake manifold. Remove any engine cover if needed. Disconnect the battery and remove the intake hose. Be gentle with the wiring harnesses. Spray throttle body cleaner on the butterfly valve and surrounding areas. Avoid sensors. Gently scrub away carbon buildup. Let it dry for at least 10 minutes before reassembling. This simple DIY job can save you $150 or more in mechanic fees. For best results, check if the throttle body is electronic or cable operated. Electronic types, drive-by-wire, require you to keep the ignition on so the valve stays open, or have someone press the gas pedal while you clean. Step 3. Replace the air filter. While cleaning the throttle body, check the air filter. It's likely dirty too. A clogged filter starves your engine of oxygen, causing rough idle, sluggish power, and poor MPG. Air filters should be changed every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Open the air box. Remove the old filter and inspect it under light. Dirty equals replace. Insert a new filter and close the air box. With a clean throttle body and new filter, airflow is restored, and so is smooth performance. Step 4. Clean the mass airflow, MAF, sensor. The MAF sensor reads how much air enters the engine and helps the ECU adjust fuel delivery. A dirty sensor sends bad info, causing poor combustion, misfires, or hesitation. Here's how to clean it. Locate the MAF between the air filter and throttle body. Unplug the connector, unscrew the sensor. Spray with MAF sensor cleaner, not carb cleaner. Let it dry naturally for 15 minutes. This quick task restores balance between air and fuel. Critical for smooth starts and better fuel economy. Step 5. Change the engine oil. Old oil gets thin, dirty, and full of carbon. As your car ages, change intervals should shorten. Newer cars, every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Older cars, every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Use the correct oil type, synthetic if required, and always replace the filter. Benefits: restores compression, reduces friction, helps prevent overheating. Clean oil equals a healthy, quieter, and longer-lasting engine. Step 6. Clean the fuel system. You don't need to dismantle your engine to remove carbon. Use a fuel system cleaner like Chevron Tegra, Seafoam, Goumont Regain. Add it to your fuel tank when nearly empty, then top off with fresh gas. Drive normally for 50,100 miles. Results: smoother throttle response, better MPG, less knocking. Do this 1 to 2 times a year for maintenance, or 3 to 4 times if your car is older and sluggish. Step 7. Replace old and worn engine components. Even if your engine block is solid, components around it wear out. Spark plugs, ignition coils, timing belt or chain, intake hoses, battery and grounds. Replace spark plugs every 30,000 to 60,000 miles depending on type. Worn plugs equals weak combustion. Use manufacturer spec parts. Even swapping old ignition coils can transform how your engine feels. Lastly, use a seal restorer like AT205 to help rejuvenate aging gaskets. Just pour it into the oil. No tools needed. Final thoughts. If your engine sounds tired or runs rough, don't assume it's the end. With these 7 steps, you can bring it back to life. No full rebuild needed. Want more practical tips? Watch our next video. 13 maintenance tricks mechanics don't want you to know. Like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who has a rough running engine. Let's keep your ride running strong without breaking the bank.